Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. Let's work on double straight leg. Just like single straight leg stretch, this exercise wasn't created by Joseph Pilates either. It was also created by Romana Krzyzanowska. But I want you to think of this as a foundation for other exercises that are coming up, like let's just say teaser, for example. The goal of the exercise is to be able to stabilize your spine while lowering and lifting your legs. So let's play around with that. I'll meet you on the mat. Before we do the full exercise, I want to do a little fundamental just so you see how much energy you have to recruit into this area to stabilize your pelvis as you lower and lift your legs. You'll make a triangle shape, and the triangle shape will go on the backs of your hips, not on your lower back. Notice how they're on my pelvis. So let's take this to the mat. Make that same triangle shape, slide it underneath your hips. The triangle shape is framing your sacrum, that flat triangular bone at the base of your spine. Pull your lower abdominals into your fingers or into that triangular shape. Notice if you're rocking your pelvis back, there'll be more weight on your thumbs. If you're tipping your pelvis forward, there's more weight on your fingertips. Distribute the weight evenly. Pull your lower abdominals into the triangle. Bend your knees into your chest one at a time. Reach your legs up towards the ceiling. Pull your lower abdominals into the triangle. Seal your heels and the backs of your upper inner thighs. Pull your lower abdominals into the triangle. Reach your legs forward and down, maybe just like 3 inches. Pull your lower abdominals into the triangle to hinge at your hips. Again, reach your legs forward and down. Keep pressing your legs together. Pull your lower abdominals into the triangle and then lift your legs up. Notice if your pelvis is tipping on your hands. 2 more. Pull your lower abdominals in. Equal weight on your thumbs and your fingertips. Exhale, pull your lower abdominals in to lift your legs up. 1 more. Reach your legs forward and down. Try to touch the wall in front of you. Pull your lower abdominals into your hands. Legs go up. Make sure there's equal weight distribution on your hands. Let's do the full exercise. If you're working at an intermediate level, you just finished your single straight leg stretch. Bend your knees into your chest, rest your head. Stack your palms one on top of the other at the back of your head. Curl your head and shoulder blades up off the mat. Scoop your powerhouse and press your ribs down to curl up higher. As your legs go up, pull your lower abs down into the mat. Inhale, lower your legs just like 3 inches. Press your legs together, pull your navel back towards your thumbs. Scoop your powerhouse, hinge at your hips. Inhale, as your legs go forward and down, feel like you're rolling up. And then exhale, drop your tailbone down, lift your legs up. Inhale, pull your navel into your thumbs, reach your legs forward and down. Feel like you're curling up higher as your legs go up. 2 more. Pull your lower abdominals under your ribs. Squeeze your legs and your heels together and lift. 1 more. As your legs go forward and down, pull your navel into your thumbs. Feel like you're curling up higher. Lift your legs up. Bend your knees. Rest your head and shoulder blades. If you're working at an advanced level, you would have finished your single straight leg stretch here. Both legs go up towards the ceiling. Stack your hands behind your head. Press your legs together so you feel like you have 1 leg. Pull your navel into your thumbs. Reach your legs forward and down. Stop them at eye level. Pull your navel to your thumbs and lift your legs back up. Inhale, press your legs together. Reach them forward and down to eye level. Keep feeling like you're curling up even higher to lift your legs up. Inhale, pull your navel back for 3, 2, 1. Hip hinge to lift your legs up. Inhale, reach your legs forward and down. Pull your navel all the way back to your thumbs. Exhale, reach out of your hip sockets to lift your leg up. 1 more, reach forward and down. Pull your navel into your thumbs. Hinge at your hips. Lift your legs up, and you're ready for crisscross. So one of the common issues I see in this exercise is losing sight of the goal. Your goal is to be able to stabilize your spine. Only move your legs as much as you can maintain your stability. So here's what I mean. After the setup, I see this. It's this notion that your legs have to touch the floor in order to do the exercise right. Instead, it's about maintaining the curl at the bottom of your chest bone and the stability in your pelvis to lower your legs and lift them. Maybe in the beginning you lower your legs 3 inches. Perfect, as long as you maintain the bend at your chest bone and your lower back doesn't move. And then you scoop your abdominals in to lift. As you get stronger and have more control, you'll be able to lower your legs and then lift them with the strength of your powerhouse, and you won't lose the goal or the benefits of the exercise. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.